So who is a forex broker? Intermediary between you and interbank system. Now, interbank system is a network of banks that trade with each other. Like we saw before, banks trade the foreign forex market. Companies trade the forex market. Even countries trade against countries in the forex market. That's why I told you that forex will never end. It's only business that will never end as long as humans still exist on this earth. So a forex broker is a financial service company, almost like a bank, provide trader access to platform for buying and selling of foreign currencies, for buying and selling forex. Your broker provide access to a platform for buying and selling currency pairs. So here I have a platform that I use for buying and selling. It was provided by my broker. So without the brokers, I as an individual will not be able to trade the forex market. So a broker may also be known as a retail forex broker or a currency trading broker. So we have brokers that are regulated and those that are not regulated. National Futures Association can help you find out more about a broker before you go on to do business or deposit your money with such a broker. But in case you can't find out yourself, I've done that and I'll continue to do that. My job is to find reliable brokers, and I will always tell you or put a link of those brokers somewhere in the description where you can see them, so you can easily sign up with them and you make sure that your money is safe with them. There are some brokers that can even take 10 minutes if you want to withdraw. In 10 minutes time, your money is in your bank account. While some brokers might take 2 to 3 working days to send your money to your bank account, some brokers will take less than 10 minutes, 30 minutes to do that. All this I will be explaining, and I'll put them somewhere where you can see them. So when choosing a broker to work with, check first to know or ask whether a US authority regulates them. When they regulate them, they watch whatever they do. They can't run away with your money. So when a broker is regulated, they will disclose this information, as in the broker will display the information about their regulation on their websites, so that you get to know more. So here comes the leverage we are talking about. When you register, or when you are trying to register on your broker website, sometimes your broker may ask you to choose your leverage. You can have 1 to 50. Some start from 1 to 10. Doesn't matter. These things are not static. Some have 1 to 100. Some have 1 to 200, 500. Some have 1 to 1000. So the higher the leverage, the more buying power you will have. So you can see that leverage is offered by brokers to maximize traders' buying power by giving them the ability to deposit a small amount of fund, such as $10, and trade large volume, such as $1,000. Leverage in forex trading is all about entering borrowed capital into transaction. The money you borrow from your broker is what you use for the transaction. So the money is borrowed from a broker who acts like a bank that fronts you some cash to invest. So leveraging helps one to trade a large deal, hence amplifying their potential profit and loss. When you use leverage, you trade, your buying power is multiplied. And also when you lose, your losses are multiplied. So that is one thing you have to know about leverage. It has the good side and the bad side. Whatever you do, it multiplies it. If you win, it can multiply it. If you lose, it can also multiply it. So now here, let's see a particular example using two specific this leverage A is 1 to 20, then this is for A, then leverage B is 1 to 200. Let's see how it can help you to make profits or loss. This first person has leverage of 1 to 20 and this second person leverage of 1 to 200, and both of them invested $100. They invested the same amount. That of A is 20, so your investment is going to multiply by 20, which gives 2,000, and that of B is 200, so it's going to be multiplied by the investment, which is 20,000. So as soon as you enter the market, this is the amount that you're going to watch or you're going to use to trade. Then if you make such as 30 pips, I believe you now understand this. This is 30 pips. Trader A, because of this 1 to 20 leverage, trader A will be making a profit of $6. While trader B, because of this leverage of 1 to 200, will be making a profit of $60. So when they close the trade both at the same time, trader A is going to have a balance of 106, while trader B is going to have a balance of 160. So you can see, despite having the same investments but different leverage, the trader with the higher leverage is tend to have more. And also, if you were to be a losing trade, the trader with the higher leverage is going to lose more. So this is what it is. So you have to be careful while choosing leverage. So sometimes as a beginner, 1 to 50 or 1 to 100 would be okay as a beginner. Just use a leverage of 1 to 50 or 1 to 100. Then as you advance into trading, understanding everything, you can now adjust your leverage according to what you understand or according to your own method of trading. So this is what leverage is.